Hi, my name is ARTEMIS. I'm an early childhood educator and educational psychologist. I help parents like you get their child reaching all their milestones while they're playing independently, so you get a moment to yourself. If that interests you, make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to jump into the video right away. Between the age of 7 to 9 months old, we want to see your child starting to crawl with ease. So we no longer want this to be something that's difficult for them to do. We want to see them, just like this baby's doing in the video, very smoothly crawling across the floor. And on that note, we also want to see them use both sides of their body. So we want to see both hands, both legs, and both sides engaged when they're crawling or when they're doing anything else. So what we don't want to see is we don't want to see one dominant side and then the other side is kind of slacking off. We also want to see your child being able to bear their own weight on their legs. So we want the whole foot to be touching the ground, and when they're standing up, of course, holding on to something, either you or an object, they are able to stand up and hold their own weight. Now, this might not be happening at 7 months, but we definitely want to see it happening at the end of the 9-month-old period. We don't mind seeing tippy toes at this age, but we don't want to see only tippy toes. So we do want to see the whole foot touching the ground when they're doing this. Finally, we also want to see your child transferring a toy or an object from one hand to the other hand. Now, in this video, this child is kind of using their face to hold up the toy a little bit. That's okay as well, but we do also want to see the clear transfer in the air between the one hand to the other hand as well. Now, there's a lot of other important milestones at this age as well. I've listed them all out in my developmental milestones guide, and I also offer a lot of activities that are age appropriate and appropriate for your child's personality to reach your child's milestones while you also get some time for yourself, so they can play independently while you get a moment to yourself to clean up the house or to scroll your phone or to just sit down uninterrupted. If that's something that interests you, make sure to subscribe, check the links in this video, and also find out how to work with me in the description. Good luck!